Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to prepare vector files for animation in After Effects. Also, if you want to watch animated part with After Effects, you can check the description link. Let's get started. Hold Ctrl Shift, select all of them layers, elements, and copy with Ctrl C. Go to File, New, and Web Layers, Full HD sizes. And let's create, and Ctrl V for paste. And let's hold Shift, change scale, hold Ctrl Shift, let's delete these text layers, also this text and this. And first let's open inside. Let's first of all select this line and delete. Also I don't like this part, let's delete. And these coins, delete. So I will use just this scene, and let's first select this group and create new layer with this icon. Select group, let's drag and drop into the layer 2 and change name phone up, and let's hide. Let's enable this group. Okay, so let's open inside, select these lines. This is first and next line, and this and two. Okay, so let's create one layer. Select these groups, unhide groups. Let's drag and drop into the layer 3. Open inside and enable layers. Let's see. Okay. And let's see. Let's select this phone up, move to up here. Okay, so let's hide this layer and change name line. Okay, so let's first select this group and let's zoom in here. And let's create one layer. And let's zoom in here. I will select these hand layers, hold Ctrl Shift, select this part and this and this. Ctrl X, go to layer 4, Ctrl V, and let's select this part, delete. Let's see. Okay, and change name hand 1 and hide. So in this time select these body layers, hold Ctrl Shift, let's zoom in here more and select this part and this, also these parts. Okay, Ctrl X, go to here, let's create new layer, Ctrl F and change name body. And let's hide layer, select this hand parts, Ctrl X, and let's create new layer, add name hand 2. So let's see. Okay, select these. Let's select these shadows. And this doesn't important for me. Let's delete. Okay, and select these, hold Ctrl Shift, select this neck and neck shadow, Ctrl X. Go to body, let's enable Ctrl F. Let's hide for now body. Ctrl Shift, select head layers, mouth layer, and ear, and hair. Ctrl X. Okay, let's zoom here. Also select these eyebrows and nose, Ctrl X. Let's don't forget to select this part. Let's zoom in here. Okay, Ctrl X, select body, let's create new layer, Ctrl F, change name head. Let's see. Okay, and select these eyes, Ctrl X, go to here and select head layer. Let's create new layer, Ctrl F, and let's see. Okay, and Let's go to color, change color to black. Let's change name eyes and hide eyes and this. Let's select this hair back, Control X and select body, or let's select this hand too. Let's create new layer, Control F, change name hair back. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. Right now we can create animation for these characters, and in this time let's open inside. Let's create new layer and select this group, drag and drop into the layer 10 and move to behind of character layers. Change name office elements. Let's open office elements. Let's check inside. Let's hide these elements for now. Okay, and select these foot layers. Let's select first this, hold Ctrl Shift, select this part, select, let's zoom in here, select this, this and this. Let's Ctrl X. Okay, let's open inside. We can choose here only foot layers, or we can't. Okay, so let's Ctrl X, or let's zoom in here, select this line. Let's Ctrl X. Let's create new layer, change name foot 1 and Ctrl F. Let's see, this is foot 1 and let's create new layer, add name foot 2. Select path layer and this layer, this is shadows. Okay, we can delete shadow. Also select this white shadow, delete. Select two layers. Let's drag and drop foot 2 layer and select shadow. Let's drag and drop foot 1. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here we go. We have full prepare vector, and this, let's open inside and let's create new layer, change name chair. Select chair, drag and drop into the chair layer and enable other layers. Okay, so right now let's enable chair and select these office elements, move to up here, let's up to body. Okay, that's good. And select hand 2, let's move to up, or let's, and body, let's move to up. Okay, that's good. So for now, let's hide these layers. Select these character elements. First, let's create some layers and select these character hand layers. Let's Ctrl X and go to layer 22, Ctrl F. Let's open layer 1 and let's see. Okay, select this group and drag and drop into the layer 14 and hide layer 1. I will work with only these layer groups. Let's see, this is first this hand. Let's change hand 1 and let's zoom in here and select body. Let's hold Ctrl Shift, select these body parts, Ctrl X, or don't forget select this part, Ctrl X, and go to layer 21, Ctrl F. Change name body and hide layer. Select these hand layers, Ctrl X, go to layer 20, Ctrl F, change hand 2. Let's see. Okay, and let's zoom here, select lips, head and ear, hair and eyebrows, nose line and nose. Ctrl X. Let's don't forget select this white layer and Ctrl X. Go to layer 15, Ctrl F. This is name head. And let's move to up to body. Let's see. Nice. And let's select this layer, Ctrl X, select layer 15, Ctrl F, change name, hair, back. And let's select eye whites, Ctrl X, select layer, Ctrl F, change color to black. And change name, eyes. Let's see. Select eyes, move up to head layer and hand layers. Okay. And I will use these parts for only one layers. Let's select this, select all of these elements, Ctrl X, select layer 16, Ctrl F, change name, legs. Let's enable office elements, select these 15 layers, move to inside office elements. Nice. And characters. Also let's select the shadow, delete, and open office elements, select this sofa, and let's drag and drop into the 15 layer. And select the layer, move up, and character layers. And select these character layers, move up to 15 layer. And this layer, sofa. Okay, here we go. We have already seen. Let's enable here. Let's go to File, Save As, and create new folder. Add name isometric office phone, and open inside. Let's add name people1. Click Save, click OK.